If you have been to our shop or seen a number of our videos, it's likely that you've noticed this fun little car that we have. Thought I'd share a little bit of history about that with you today. Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So this car was actually a ride at an amusement park in Southern California called Knott's Berry Farm, and the ride was called Gasoline Alley. It's possible I even drove this car when I was a kid because I lived in that area. And the ride ran from 1969 to 1996, and it basically went around on a little road that had a track in the middle that limited how far you could steer it. So after the ride closed, a very dear friend of mine, Don, bought 5 of these cars. Now, after we moved into this building, we discovered that there was a lot of restrictions by the city on signage, so we couldn't put up a monument sign. And when my friend Don heard about it and we talked about the problems of signage, a vehicle that's moving, like our shuttle van that's wrapped, you don't have to have permits for signage. And so because this is a vehicle, even though it's not allowed to be on the street, it is a vehicle and it moves, and so it doesn't fall under those restrictions. And so my dear friend Don gave us this vehicle. We did a little bit of work on it, converted it to this stake bed truck here so that we could put the signage on it. We let kids drive it at events. It's an absolute blast, a lot of fun, and it was very generous of Don to give it to us. So that's the history of this vehicle with Mercie J Auto Care. Also, I'd like to just throw one little thing out there. My dear friend Don passed away. His son Keith has 4 more of these in different levels of needing repair. And so if you're interested in one, let me know, and let's see if we can help Don and his family out. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this as much as we enjoy this car. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.